Welcome back, everyone. Coronavirus testing has become more widespread, but those tests may have different results. And for one Prunedale man, that's created a lot of confusion. Why he messaged Max.
The Prunedale man didn't want to use his last name. He says he was tested for COVID-19 3 times, and each time was a different result. He wants to know which test to trust. Patrick loves to work in the yard at his Prunedale home, but in May, when he began to feel sick, he worried he had the coronavirus.
I started noticing symptoms, mainly fatigue, sore throat, and when I took a deep breath, it hurt.
After about 5 days, Patrick says he was tested at Salinas Valley Memorial Hospital. That first test came back negative, but Patrick was still feeling symptoms of coronavirus.
So I made an appointment to see my doctor, and upon examining me and talking to me, he wanted to test me again because he thought that I had it.
What he did is exactly what Monterey County health officials recommend.
So if someone has symptoms and tests negative, they really should check with their healthcare provider.
This time, the result came back positive.
It was the really strangest symptoms. I've never had anything like that.
Because of his now positive result, his wife then went to get a test at Stanford. That's where Patrick was tested again, and again the results were negative.
And now it's been 2 weeks and the symptoms are pretty much gone.
Patrick is now wondering if he even had the coronavirus in the first place and which test he should believe. Dr. Moreno says there are different variables that make up the result.
Or maybe you're so far into your illness that we can't detect the virus anymore, but you have all the classic symptoms.
It's also possible the symptoms Patrick experienced could be another respiratory virus with similar symptoms to COVID-19. Still, Patrick and his wife are taking every precaution. They're wearing masks at home and keeping socially distanced. It's still not clear if Patrick even had the coronavirus, but the Monterey County Health Department's lab director says false positives are rare. If you have something you want me to look into, send me a message at Max Tarleton on Twitter and on Facebook. Reporting in the studio, Max Tarleton, KION News Channel 546.